Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'm Pat Long, and this is problem of the day number 3, discount shopping. So for the problem today, your favorite store is having a sale. You buy a graphic t-shirt that originally cost $15, a pair of jeans that originally cost $40, and a sweatshirt that originally cost $28. Everything is 20% off during the sale. What price do you pay for your shopping trip, and how much money did you save? So this problem has several different ways that you can solve it. There's all sorts of options you could use. You could use a proportion. You could write it as an equation. You can find the sale cost first. You could find the discount first. Because I need to know both the discount and the final price that I pay, I'll find the discount first and then use that to find the final price. So let's take a look. So the first thing that we need to do is add up all of the costs to find the original amount. You could find the discount on each item individually, but that's just a lot more work. So we'll start with this. First, we started with a graphic t-shirt. That was $15. And then we had a pair of jeans, which were $40. And finally, a sweatshirt for $28. And if you add all of those up, you get a total of $83. And I'll add the cents on there because we're going to need that when we find the discount. Okay, great. So that was the original total before a discount. Now the discount is a 20% off sale. So I teach my students that 20% of $83, so I'll write that down, 20% and then the word of $83. And of means multiply in most situations when we're talking about math. So of usually means multiply, and we can't multiply or do any operations really. We can't multiply and divide while we've got the percent sign on here, so we need to change this to a fraction or a decimal. I like decimals since we're dealing with money, so 20% is 0.20, of means multiply, and then we have $83. And so if you go ahead and plug that in, $83 times 0.20, or 20 hundredths if you want to use the proper name, is $16. And it says 0.6 on your calculator, but you've got to remember that you're dealing with money. You have to have 2 decimal places, so you've got to add that extra 0. So it's actually $16.60. So $16.60 is the amount that we save on all of the items. So we'll write savings next to that. And that was important, so we'll underline that one. And we do have one final step. We need to know the final amount that we pay. So if it was originally $83 without the sale, and we saved $16.60, that brings our final price to $66.40. And I'll write sale price next to that. Sale price. And that's it. Short one today. This was a pretty quick problem today, but like I said before, there's lots of ways you could solve this. You could use a proportion, you could use some algebra to write an equation here, or you could break it down in several other different ways, but similar to what I did here. It does say explain, so as usual, we'll throw an explanation in at the end. The total price of the items was $83 before the discount. I saved $16.60 because this is 20% of the original $83. And finally, $83 minus $16.60 gives the cost that I actually pay for the items, which is $66.40. So before we wrap up today, problem of the day number 4 is about a spring fundraiser. Your class is making spring seasonal baskets to sell as a fundraiser for end-of-year events. You have 90 mini Fresh Breeze scented candles, 45 bags of trail mix, and 60 tickets to a minor league baseball game. What is the maximum number of baskets you can make so that each basket is identical and there are no supplies left over? How many of each item will be in each basket, and explain. And for extra fun, if you want to go ahead and do this, you can decide how much you would charge for each of these baskets and then determine how much your school would make from the fundraiser if they all sold at this price. I hope you find this problem useful, And don't forget that the PDFs are down below. You can also find a link down there to sign up to get the problem of the day sent straight to your email inbox. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Pat Long, and I'll see you tomorrow.